Dalian No.1 Instrument Transformer Corporation Limited, also known as DYH, is located in Dalian, a beautiful seaside city on the Liaodong Peninsula. Established in 1972, DYH has already developed as the world's largest enterprise, which focuses on innovation, manufacturing, marketing and service of instrument transformers. The company has already adopted to operate as a corporation, containing 380,000 square meters totally and 186,000 square meters of facilities. We are now having 1,600 employees. DYH's headquarters is in Pulandian District, Dalian City. The corporation has established subsidiaries in Shanghai, Xiamen, and Economic Development Zone in Dalian subsequently. DYH has also partnered with Spain Artech to build a joint venture company, Artech DYH Electric Corporation Limited. Spending more than 4% of the revenue in research and development annually, DYH has also been focused on technological innovation in instrument transformers and has already achieved more than 300 invention patents and utility model patents. Owning Municipal Instrument Transformer Operating Reliability Research Engineering Laboratory and a Provincial Technical Center, the company is also a main member of China's Instrument Transformer Technology Standardization Committee, participating in drafting and formulation of more than 40 relevant national, industry, groups and grid companies' standards. DYH has long been cooperating with related colleges and universities and institutes for cooperation between industry, academia and research, so as to introduce and develop advanced technologies. DYH Dalian Instrument Transformer Technology Research Institute has been established in 2022, which represents DYH's technology research and development strengthens to a new level. The enterprise has always been specialized in research and development of instrument transformer and insulated busbar, owning more than a dozen product series, including epoxy resin insulated current and voltage transformers, 10 to 40.5 kV with international advanced level for cabinets, current and voltage transformers, 12 kV to 72.5 kV for gas cabinets of high-end installations, 20 kV high current series of instrument transformers for hydropower, thermal power and nuclear power supporting generator outlet or closed busbar with maximum primary current of 50,000 ampere, current and voltage transformers for outdoor switchgear, 27.5 kV current and voltage transformers for electric locomotives, high-speed locomotives and outdoor traction substations, 72.5 kV and 800 kV oil-immersed insulated current and voltage transformers for power transmission and distribution, high-voltage power grids and power substations, current and voltage transformers for power metering, 0.72 kV to 40.5 kV electric current and voltage sensors for distribution network automation and primary, secondary integration, 7.2 kV to 72.5 kV epoxy resin impregnated paper structure tubular insulated busbar, introduced from German PBP company's unique technology. Specialized and new instrument transformers, such as wide-frequency instrument transformers, wide-range instrument transformers, anti-DC current transformers, and low-voltage and middle-voltage instrument transformers for wind power and photovoltaic power generation, and so on. The company implements a strategy of high-quality products and has established a new digital medium-voltage instrument transformer production line, 66 kV to 765 kV high-voltage instrument transformer production line, electronic instrument transformer production line, tube insulated busbar production line, machining production line, mold machining production line, class 10,000 clean workshop, automatic spraying workshop, and so on. The company also has international advanced epoxy resin vacuum casting equipment, physical and chemical test equipment, and advanced product test and inspection equipment, which can carry out factory test of products with 765 kV and below, as well as all type tests except for short-time high current test. A complete quality management system, informatization and industrialization integration management system have been established. With lean manufacturing as core idea, the company has built an advanced digital management platform to achieve efficient synergy among supply, research, production, and sales, and to strive to provide customers with products of excellent quality and performance by fine and strict manufacturing process and quality control. Our annual output of HV and MV instrument transformers has been over 450,000 pieces. Our products has passed not only domestic tests, but also international famous test certifications, such as Italy CESI, Netherlands KENA, and Russia metering. Domestic famous switchgear manufacturers are all long-term strategic partners of DYH. We also have stable partnership with foreign-funded famous power transmission and distribution product manufacturers for their wholly owned and joint venture in China. Widespread over the country's distribution network, the company has accomplished 3D cross-logistic distribution, which allows customers to receive our product at the quickest time possible. DYH offers 24-hour hotline services. We respond electronic communication within 2 hours and will arrive on site within 48 hours by air to assist in any problems that our customers may have. Its products have been rated as famous brand products of Liaoning province continuously for many years. The brand DYH has been chosen as the most influential brand in China's electrical industry. DYH has also achieved other honors, including China Machinery Industry Top 500, Top 3 Instrument Transformer Enterprises, China Well-Known Trademark, High-Tech Enterprise, as well as National Specialties and a New Small Giant Enterprise. DYH never forgets its social responsibility. By developing a DYH trust fund and donating to charitable organizations and social welfare, DYH actively participates in helping the poor and the needy, assisting students and educators, and building up the community. Adhering to green and sustainable development, DYH has passed Environmental Management System, Occupational Health and Safety Management System, and Energy Management System certification. We have always been worked hard to achieve carbon neutrality and has won the title of Green Factory in Liaoning province. In the future, DYH people will continue to work hard and make full effort to build a modern high-tech enterprise integrating scientific research, production, operation, as well as service, and step to more brilliant and glorious success.